Come on, we're gonna be late for the gig.
I know, I'm coming.
Wait. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. You've got to be kidding me!
Man, my engine's all gunked up, dude.
Dude, you should have bought a BioCruiser, man.
BioCruiser?
BioCruiser! The BioCruiser. It can hold 7 passengers. It has 405 horsepower V8. It'll get you from A to B.
And the best part of all, it runs off biodiesel.
What's biodiesel?
Biodiesel? It's an alternative fuel you can put in any diesel engine. It's great for the environment, you get great gas mileage, you can actually make it at home for about 70 cents a gallon.
But how does that help, like, my engine?
Well, see, biodiesel actually helps to lubricate your engine because it's made from oils from plants and animals. So, it's great for your engine too. So problems like this won't happen.
Dude, forget gas, man. I'm using biodiesel from now on.
Yeah!